everyone and welcome back to my channel. Those who are new, hi, my name is Aarti, and so today's video is on this makeup look that I have created. And since this is a festive season, I need to make this video. This makeup look is very easy, subtle and wearable, so you can definitely try this makeup look. And so further ado, let's get into the video. Before doing my makeup, I like to prep my skin, and here's a tip. If you want that the flawless makeup, please take your time to prep your skin, because it gives you that smooth looking face and gives you the natural makeup. So I have already washed my face using this Acne creamy face wash. So the next step is toner, and for the toner I'm using this Plump Rose Water toner with hyaluronic acid. And after applying toner, please dab it in your skin. For the moisturizer, here I am using this Fix Derma moisturizing lotion. यो चाहिँ मैले एउटा प्याकेट सकेर यो चाहिँ मेरो नेक्स्ट प्याकेट हो. I really love this moisturizer. It is ideal for all ages and all skin type, so you can use it. It is really smooth. You can see that it blends really well. So for the sunscreen, here I am using this Fix Derma Shadow 30+ SPF sunscreen. I have been using this sunscreen for like 1 year or something more than that. यो चाहिँ मलाई एकदमै मन पर्यो, because यो क्रीममा छ तर त्यही पनि यति छिटो ब्लेन्ड हुन्छ स्किनमा, like quickly absorb in your skin. Let me show you. You can see the result. Look. Okay, my skincare is done. Here I am using this aloe vera gel from Asta Berry. Is my primer. If you have primer, you can use it, but recently I'm out of primer, so I'm using aloe vera gel as my primer. For the eyebrow, I don't like to do much with them. I will jump into my eye makeup. So for the concealer, here I am using this Vitamin C Technique Eye Brightener. I don't like using concealer, so I just go on with eye tint. I'll set this concealer using this translucent powder from LA Color. The reason why I have applied concealer before doing my eye makeup is that it will act as eyeshadow primer, and also my eye makeup doesn't crease. Shade from eyeshadow palette, and I'll just apply. I'll just apply in my outer corner, and I'll blend it in my crease line. I'm adding this brown color to give warmness in my eye makeup. Now I'm using this shade and apply it all over my eyelid using my finger. Now I am applying this color again in my lower eyelids. And I will follow up with this color. And now I am applying kajal in my lower eyelids. And I will apply some kajal on my upper eyelids. Festive look is incomplete without kajal. My eye makeup is done, and I'll just add some mascara and it will be over. Now I'll curl my eyelashes and apply some mascara. I don't like to apply fake lashes, so I'll just curl them and apply mascara. If you want more bold look, then definitely go on with fake eyelashes. Now I'm using this mascara and my eye makeup will be over. Okay, my eye makeup is done, and now I will just foundation. Here I am using this Milani Conceal Plus Perfect 2-in-1 foundation. If you want that dewy plus matte look, then please go for this foundation. This beauty blender, I'm just going to blend it all. You can definitely see the difference before and after applying foundation. So for the contouring, I'm using this NARS Double Concealer Plus Contour Stick. I'm not that much into the contour, but in today's look I want to add some sharpness to my face, so I'm doing this. So for the contouring my face, I'm just doing like I'm using this same beauty blender to blend it all in my face. You can totally see the difference. I'll give it more shape by applying this translucent powder. For the blush, I'm using this lipstick for blush. तपाईहरुसँग पनि blush छैन भने you can use it. मसँग पनि छैन, so I will use this lipstick as my blush. So for the highlighter, I'm using the same palette, and I will use this highlighter at my cheekbone. I really find it convenient to use that small brush for highlighting. I don't know why, but I like this brush to highlight my cheekbone. for the lipstick, I'm using this same lipstick which I have used for blush, and I'll just add some lipstick and my makeup will be done. So guys, my makeup is done and I will add some jewelry in it to give that extra look. So that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button to get notified whenever I post new videos. See you in my next video. Bye bye.